Hi guys, good morning and welcome back to my channel. So today I'll be sharing with you my everyday makeup routine, and it's been a long time since I've done these types of videos and I'm a bit rusty, I'll be quite honest. And yeah, so I've gotten a lot of requests to do more videos, upload more videos, and I thought since I already had shower, I might as well share to you my everyday makeup routine. So yeah, let's go ahead and get started. Alright, so as soon as I got out of the shower, I moisturized my face and I used this Clinique Moisture Surge. And this is one of the new things that I've been doing. I've been mixing this Becca Backlight Priming Filter with my foundation. This is the MAC Studio Fix Fluid in NC40. And I love mixing them together because this Becca gives like a nice glow to the skin. So just a teeny tiny bit. So that is that, and that's how much product. Then I just mix them together and then dot it all over my face. And then I'm gonna use my brush to blend it away and then blend it on the neck. And then after that, I'm gonna be concealing my dark circles and some blemishes, especially in this one because I have like pimple mark. And yeah, I'm using this Born This Way in the shade Golden Beige. Also, I'm gonna be using this as like contouring and highlight. And then I'm gonna be blending it with the Damp Beauty Blender. I mean, if you don't have darkness around your eyes and some blemishes and spot, you can skip this step, and that would be nice because if I have a nice skin, I won't do any of these steps at all. And after I've done my concealer, I'm gonna be setting it up with this e.l.f. powder and just very little just under my eyes. And after that, I'm gonna be doing my eyebrows, and I've been loving this eyebrow pencil from Daiso, and it was only $2.80 and it's so good. Like, I couldn't tell the difference, and $2.80. So first I'm gonna be outlining my eyebrow at the bottom and then top, and then just kind of fill it in. And then I'm gonna use the spoolie to blend it. That's eyebrows done. And after that, I'm gonna be bronzing my face and contour at the same time with this Marc Jacobs in the shade Cocoa 600. Yeah, so I just use the fluffy brush, and then I'm just gonna create number 3 on the sides of my face. And also, I've been using this for my crease. And then I'm just gonna change my brush into like smaller detail brush. And then I'm gonna be using this brush to contour my nose using the same product. And then after that, I'm gonna be applying my blush. This is from the Philippines. It's from the brand Vice in the shade Shala. It's cute. And it's like a peachy color and I like it. So it depends, if I have time, I'll add some highlighter on my face, but most of the time I don't. Since I have time today, I'll be applying some highlighter today, and this is from the Fenty Beauty, so in the shade Kilowatt, and I'll be mixing both shades, the Mean Money and Hustler Baby, just for my nose. Oh, that's a lie. I might as well put some on my Cupid's bow and on my inner teardrop. Okay, so the next one is liquid eyeliner, and I picked this up at Mecca Maxima just like 3 days ago, and this is from the brand Stila. Alright, so eyeliner done, and then I'm gonna be curling my eyelashes. That's done. And then I'm gonna be applying my mascara. This is the Clinique. It's a sample size and I actually like it. And sometimes I put bronzer under my eyes. It depends with the time that I've got. Alright, so that is that. And then after that, what I like to do is to clean up all the makeup products on my lips, and I'm using this Q-tip with micellar water. And then I apply a little bit of lip balm. This is just from Clinique. And after that, I like to line my lips with this lip liner from MAC. It's in the shade Strip Down. And I actually use this to fill in my lips as well, because it lasts longer. Alright, so that's makeup done. With my hair, 80% of the time I just leave my hair like this, and sometimes I put some mousse just to kind of have that long-lasting beachy hair look. And yeah, so that's what I've been doing. And to finish off, I've been loving this YSL perfume. It's the Black Opium, and it's perfect because it's winter here in Australia, and it's just sexy and spicy, but it's kind of sweet, and I love it so much. So this is the end of this video. I hope you find it entertaining. If you did enjoy it, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Give me a subscribe. It will make me so happy. And it has been Jessa Kowitz here. Thank you so much for watching. Have a lovely day. I love you. You're beautiful, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye! Oh, Cole is here. He just literally blocked my lighting. It's a natural lighting from the window. Thanks, babe. Babe, can you make some coffee? Can you make some coffee, please?